at the beautiful beach with a beautiful pair of heels I promised you for the last couple of weeks. This is our last pair of Gioie shoes by Gioie, and these I think are going to be my fave. So shall we open them? First, if you haven't subscribed already, please do and hit that notification button so you don't miss a single one of these crazy videos.
Let's fucking go.
Thank you. Alright, let's see what's inside the box.
Let's go. Let's go.
I love this company. They're made in Italy heels. They're called Gioie shoes. You can look them up on Facebook. Oh my gosh! I love them! Look at these. Aren't they the cutest shoes? That is an amazing look. I love yellow. I love polka dots. It's hard to get happier than that. Let's try them on. I like my little flats too. My little sneakies. My sneaky sneakers. That's a great color. I really like color. Alright. Let's see how these fit. Oh my goodness. Cute, cute, cute. Alright, let's try the second one. So I love it that it's made with a very nice stiff material. And it has little studs to hold it over your toes. It's made with the classic wooden heel with lacquer. And a nice grip on the ground. Really a beautiful heel. I love Gioie heels. Those are pretty. Alright, let's take them so you can see them. Well, it's a crazy day at the beach, as you can see. And we had fun. I'm going to take these down and walk in the sand. I'll see you next week.